Ethereum value equivalent to 55,831 rands a coin. The present cost range 54,358, 56, 363. The earlier day close 55 and 2 and 43. The change was plus 588, plus 106%. Backwards rate, ZAR to ETH. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2024. First and foremost cost at 40,709 rands. Exorbitant cost 53,010, while low cost 40,709. The found the middle value of cost 40,6993. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 49,542. Change for September 16%. Ethereum estimate for October 2024. First and foremost cost at 49,542 rands. Exorbitant cost 53,860, while low cost 46,812. The found the middle value of cost 50,138. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 53,36. Change for October 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2024. Before all else cost at 50,336 rands. Excessive cost 58,458, while low cost 50,336. The arrived at the midpoint of cost 53,441. Ethereum cost figure toward the month's end 50,634. Change for November 85%. Ethereum figure for December 2024. Before all else cost at 50,634 rands. Excessive cost 66,769, while low cost 54,634. The found the middle value of cost 59,610. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 60,24 to 1. Change for December 14.2%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2025. To start with cost at 60,2401 rands. Exorbitant cost 71,489, while low cost 60,2035. The found the middle value of cost 65,709. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 60,812. Change for January 7.1%. Ethereum gauge for February 2025. To start with cost at 60,812 rands. Exorbitant cost 70,2723, while low cost 63,207. The found the middle value of cost 67,677. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 60,79 at 65. Change for February 17%. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2025. In the first place cost at 60,7965 rands. Exorbitant cost 68,316, while low cost 59,378. The found the middle value of cost 60,4877. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 63,847. Change for spring 6.1%. Ethereum gauge for April 2025. In the first place cost at 63,847 rands. Exorbitant cost 63,847, while low cost 54,146. The found the middle value of cost 60,016. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 58,222. Change for April 8.8%. Ethereum cost expectation for May 2025. Before all else cost at 58,222 rands. Exorbitant cost 61,164, while low cost 53,162. The found the middle value of cost 50,7428. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 50,163. Change for May 1.8%. Ethereum gauge for June 2025. To start with cost at 50,163 rands. Exorbitant cost 66,089, while low cost 57,163. The found the middle value of cost 60,545. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 61,765. Change for June 8.1%. Ethereum cost expectation for July 2025. To start with cost at 61,765 rands. Exorbitant cost 69,760, while low cost 60,632. The found the middle value of cost 60,338. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 65,196. Change for July 5.6%. Ethereum gauge for August 2025. In the first place cost at 65,196 rands. Exorbitant cost 76,950, while low cost 65,196. They found the middle value of cost 69,815. Ethereum cost gauge toward the month's end 71,916. Change for August 10.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for September 2025. In the first place, cost at 70,916 rands. Exorbitant cost 81,0986, while low cost 70,258. They found the middle value of cost 75,1446. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 70,622. Change for September 6.5%. Ethereum estimate for October 2025. First and foremost, cost at 70,622 rands. Exorbitant cost 95,104, while low cost 70,622. They found the middle value of cost 80,4308. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 80,8882. Change for October 16%. Ethereum cost expectation for November 2025. First and foremost, cost at 88,882 rands. Exorbitant cost 88,1882, while low cost 75,595. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 83,661. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 81,285. Change for November 8.5%. Ethereum estimate for December 2025. First and foremost, cost at 81,285 rands. Exorbitant cost 88,367, while low cost 76,805. They found the middle value of cost 80,261. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 80,2586. Change for December 1.6%. Ethereum cost expectation for January 2026. First and foremost, cost at 80,2586 rands. Exorbitant cost 100,2506, while low cost 80,2586. They found the middle value of cost 90,870. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 95,800. Change for January 16%. Ethereum estimate for February 2026. To start with, cost at 95,800 rands. Exorbitant cost 95,800, while low cost 88,43. They found the middle value of cost 89,843. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 80,6928. Change for February 9.3%. Ethereum cost expectation for Walk 2026. At the outset, cost at 80,6928 rands. Excessive cost 88,704, while low cost 70,7098. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 83,908. Ethereum cost conjecture toward the month's end 80,2901. Change for spring 4.6%. Ethereum conjecture for April 2026. At the outset, cost at 80,2901 rands. Excessive cost 128,97, while low cost 80,2091. They arrived at the midpoint of cost 90,216. Ethereum cost estimate toward the month's end 90,60,116.